Hey folks, what's up? Marcel here. I got myself a little present. This is a Dewalt 20-volt battery preheater. I do have a big gas-powered preheater, but I'm not doing landscape contracts, so I don't need the big one. But I do have some jobs where I just help neighbors and some smaller patio cleanup and whatnot. So I figured I'd get myself one of these. You can get them at Amazon. I will actually put a link to Amazon in the description, so that you can choose if you want one and find it. So I like the Dewalt system. I have pretty much everything from Dewalt. Batteries are interchangeable, and I have some tools for already like 6 years or so, and the batteries, I didn't have to toss any of them or change any of them. They just last forever. So let me unwrap that and see what we have here. It comes with a box, a handle. It comes with a 5 amp battery. The batteries, they have a little battery indicator. This one is empty, it's new, so it needs to be charged before we can use it. It does come with the latest fast charging charger, DCST920P1. So I'm going to plug that in. Luckily, I do have another 5 amp battery that is full, so we can test the unit. Let me just plug this one in. There you go. First it's testing it, then it's charging it. As it's blinking, just charging. If it's a steady light, then it's full. And if one side is blinking and the other one's steady, that means that it's cold or hot or cold. That's the description in here, and that I never saved those. So, and the unit itself, a little bit assembling required. Not a problem if you have some basic tools. You just flip that on there. Okay, that's easy. Comes with the wire spindle. It has the push release to extend the wire. It has a little cutting blade in case it's too long. It will cut the wire into size. And the wire is not in the right position, so I will take care of this in a second. So here it has 2 screws, and it has a little clip button just to snap in, and then you just tighten the screws. Okay. What I like about Dewalt is they really think, you know, they put hooks in the right positions. They have like a leaf blower that has also something like this where you just put it down either this way or this way, you know, up or down, and it just fits perfect. I also like the colors for some reason. So there are many other tools out that are just as good. It's just a preference. I like Dewalt. It's a good strong tool, and you can really go and just get about anything. As a matter of fact, I like also, you know, flashlight. Really strong, battery lasts forever. It's the same battery that you use for your other tools. It has a very strong magnet here, so you can easily just place it somewhere and turn on the flashlight in any direction that you need. So there are just some very neat features about the Dewalt tools that I like. Okay, so I'm gonna, before I turn it on, I'm gonna fix this spindle here that is not in the right position. So let me take care of this real quick. You just push the two buttons here, and then it comes apart, and you feed the spindle through, and it snaps right back in. That should do it. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna plug the battery in. Okay, 5 amp battery, lasts pretty long. You will not be able to do a contract work where you have to trim an entire park or so, but definitely for the average size home garden should be fine. Let's see. We have a high and a low. We have a security lever push button, so you have to push both, and there you go. So the spindle, when I put it in, it was a little bit longer, and when I had it on full speed, it actually cut it off automatically with this blade to the right length, and now it's ready to go. So this was low speed. That seems pretty fast to me. And now I'm going to do it on high speed. Yeah, you can already hear the difference. And I don't know if you just saw that, but it goes straight through the cardboard. So that's pretty strong. I mean, that will give me no problem to do the little jobs that I have where I just clean up some backyards. That's pretty much it. Like I say, I will put the link to this into the description so that you can find it easily and order it yourself if you want. And honestly, if you don't want to do stuff like this yourself, then just give me a call. I come by and I clean up your backyard, or have your contractor do that, obviously, your landscaper. This is the other thing. I see actually that the handle goes straight on here, probably on this side, so that you can hold it like this. Okay, and you can then lay it down easily. It will sit like that nicely. Beautiful. It doesn't take too much space. Have you seen the ones with the gas? I mean, they're just huge. I have one in my patio, and this is just beautiful. It takes out the space. Let me actually put this on here real quick. It's a nice foam handle, very soft. So this package came with the necessary Allen key to tighten all your screws. You can get this weed eater also if you want to go a little bit more robust. There's the same unit for the 60 volt batteries. I don't think I will ever need something bigger than this. And the other thing is that all my tools are 20 volt batteries, and I just don't want to change the system. So I stick with the 20 volt, and I just tried it. You saw it yourself. Yeah, I can easily eat through cardboard, so I won't have any problems eating through any grass and smaller plants. Very easy to assemble. I basically had to tighten only 2 screws for the handle and 2 screws to attach this here, tighten this, and that's it. It's actually very well balanced, so easy to handle. Volt max battery weed eater, beautiful. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like, it will help me, and I hope this video helped you just to see something new and to make a decision if you're interested in just trimming the edges of your grass in your backyard. Okay, thanks folks, bye, see you later.